Hello dear friends. Today I am going to prepare a shrimp fry recipe. This is a super delicious recipe which is crispy on the outside and soft in the inside. For this I have taken 250 grams of shrimp and I have removed the shell and deveined it from both the sides. And to devein, I have used a knife. It is quite easier and quicker that way. So I've cut it from one side and removed the vein. And it is also helpful to have a bowl of water in which you can just clear off the vein on your finger. It gets stuck. Similarly, from the other side, also I've removed the vein by cutting it first, and if there is any pieces of shells remaining on it, just clear it and dip it in water and just clean it up. And this is the whole batch of deveined and deshelled shrimp. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder with a little bit of chili flakes in it, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, coriander seeds powder, and mix it really well. It's mixed well, and I'm adding semolina to it. This gives a little crispier texture and coarse texture. If you need more, add a little more. And side by side I'm heating the pan or a tawa and adding oil to it. In order to fry shrimp really well, you need a good quantity of layer of oil on the pan. You could add 2 tablespoons of oil. And now I'm frying them individually, taking each shrimp, dipping it and coating it very well with bajra flour, and placing it on the pan one by one. This is the first batch that has got fried, and for this I have fried 1 minute on each side and again 1 minute on each side. So a total of 2 minutes on each side. And this is my second batch in the same pan, and I added a little more oil again and fried the second batch. Shrimps are good source of zinc and selenium, so it's good to have them once in a while.